I thought of cooking matooke. This is when my matooke, the unpeeled one. Here I'm adding water which is not boiled. Then I'm going to boil. Let me light my gas. So I'm going to boiling. You see the fire. I'm going to boil it for like 20 minutes until it's ready, and going to prepare French beans. Yeah, let me start making them ready. So I check on my matooke. Yeah, it's ready. You see where I cut, it is now open. Yeah, it shows that it is ready. And then I have here my French beans. It has been like this. I think everyone knows this. And then I chop it into small pieces. Yeah, and then now I'm going to show you the ingredients I'm going to use. I'm going to first boil the French beans. Yeah, so my matooke is ready. Yeah, I'm removing the fire, and now I'm going to wash my French beans because I got them fresh from the market. I'm going to first wash them. Yeah, using my hands. Yeah, then I boil them. Yeah, those are my cut tomato, my chopped my chopped green pepper and onions. Yeah, that's how I've cut them. And then I haven't cut my tomatoes yet. Let us check on our yeah, it's ready. Yeah, it's ready now because the water has reduced, and you can see the color is a bit not green. Yeah, it has changed. So now I'm going to do what? To fry them. So before frying my foods, I want to mix them, so I'm going to unpeel my matooke. Yeah, I'm going to remove the covers. Please make sure your hands are washed. Remove all. It's still hot. Because I had left them covered. Yeah, I want them like this. Some use knives, but now I want them to remain like this to give me that good aroma. Yeah, so that's it. Those are my foods. Fry my food. Those are the things I have with me here. So when the cooking oil is ready, you put some onions. Yeah, don't have a holder, so I'm going to put onions. So, me, I don't like frying my onions up to red to brownish. Me, I like them when they are just when they are mediumly cooked. Yeah, so I like them when they are not too much cooked. So I'm adding green peppers because yeah, me, I like being organic. I don't like much heat mostly when I'm using oils. Yeah, cooking oil. Yeah, that is it. So I'm going to mix. Then after them mixing well, I'm going to add in Royco cubes. Have my cubes here. I'm going to add them. I put tomatoes. Yeah. I have just put my tomatoes, and you see it is very thick. Just because I'm using medium heat, it will take some time. If you want it fast, then I'm measuring using eyes to measure the salt. I know the salt I like in my food, so I'm putting salt, and then I'm smashing the Royco cubes. Yeah, so that is it until they get ready. Yeah, so that's how far I am. Yeah, the tomatoes are now very soft. So when they are soft, I add in our French beans. They are there, the ones we had removed, so I'm going to add them in and I boil for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, it was even getting, it is getting so dry. So I added this water which had remained as I was boiling our French beans. I add it to get some soup. I'm going to leave it to boil for some 2 minutes. Then I add my matooke and it will be ready to serve. Yeah, so 2 minutes are done. So here's my matooke sliced into 2 pieces, and it's there. I'm going to stir slowly, just like this, to make that it is well covered in the sauce. Then I give it a little time to mix so well, and I serve. This is how far I have gone. Yeah, it's boiling now, giving it 1 minute. It looks so nice, and the aroma here, oh my god, I can't wait to eat. Yeah, now wait as I serve and call you for a very class food for a Sunday. Oh my god, I've never served something so nice like this. See goodness. Yeah, so join me as I taste my first fork. Wow, so delicious. Yeah, I'm taking it with a glass of water. You can take it with a glass of juice. Yeah, or in drink. Okay, see you. Bye.